The Valerion VisionMaster Pro2 is a masterclass in projection technology, bringing the magic of cinema right into your living room. It boasts cutting-edge features and specifications that make it a frontrunner in the premium projector market. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing the Valerion VisionMaster Pro2 feels like a premium experience from the get-go. Here's what you get in the package: remote control, power adapter, user manual, and VisionMaster Pro2, with a brightness rating of 3000 ISO lumens. The VisionMaster Pro2 ensures stunningly clear visuals even in moderately lit environments. Coupled with its 110% Rec. 2020 color gamut, this projector delivers a color spectrum that truly pops, making every frame a visual treat. Whether you're watching vibrant animations or subtle noir films, the colors are rendered with exceptional accuracy. However, here's a detailed before and after comparison between two standout features of the VisionMaster Pro2: enhanced black level (EBL) technology and dynamic tone mapping (DTM). Watching darker scenes without EBL felt a bit underwhelming. The blacks looked more like washed-out grays, and while the picture was still sharp, it lacked that cinematic depth. In scenes with dim lighting, like a candle-lit room or a night sky, the lack of contrast between the dark tones and the surrounding colors flattened the image. It worked, but it didn't wow. Once EBL was turned on, the difference was immediate and dramatic. Black tones became truly black, not muddy or gray. Shadows gained definition without crushing detail, and the contrast between light and dark areas gave the whole image a more immersive, theater-like feel. It was like switching from regular TV to a premium OLED display. Especially impressive during horror or sci-fi scenes with heavy use of darkness. Dynamic tone mapping, DTM. Without DTM, HDR content sometimes felt inconsistent. Bright areas could be blown out, losing sky detail in sunny scenes, or neon lights in a cityscape would look too harsh. Dark areas, on the other hand, could feel too flat or overly dim. The overall tone didn't quite balance itself to the environment or content. With DTM enabled, everything just clicked into place. Highlights were tamed, yet still punchy. Shadows gained just the right amount of detail, and the overall brightness felt adaptive rather than static. The projector seemed to understand the content. It adjusted on the fly, giving each scene the tone and punch it needed. Whether it was an intense gaming session or a high-action HDR movie, visuals felt more dynamic, more vibrant, and better optimized. The 0.9 to 1.5 to 1 optical zoom ensures flexibility in installation, whether you're in a cozy room or a large hall. Its ability to project up to a 300-inch screen size makes it perfect for various setups, be it home theaters, offices, or outdoor movie nights. For gaming enthusiasts, the VisionMaster Pro2 is a game changer. With a 4 millisecond input lag at 1080p 240 Hz, it provides a hyper-responsive gaming experience, even for fast-paced games. The fluidity and smoothness are remarkable, giving players a competitive edge. Running on Google TV OS, this projector transforms into a smart entertainment hub. Its 4 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM ensure seamless operation, allowing you to stream, browse, and install apps effortlessly. Supporting IMAX Enhanced, the projector delivers a theater-like experience at home, bringing the grandeur of large-format films to your personal space. The compatibility with 24 and 48 FPS content further elevates its cinematic capabilities. The projector's sleek design aligns with modern aesthetics, and its robust build ensures durability. The included optical zoom adjustment and compact structure make it versatile for different spaces without compromising on performance. The Valerion VisionMaster Pro2 is not just a projector. It's a gateway to an unparalleled viewing experience, whether you're a cinephile, a gamer, or someone who loves hosting epic movie nights. This projector ticks all the right boxes. Its blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features makes it a worthy addition to any entertainment setup. Unboxing the VisionMaster Pro2 is just the beginning of an exciting journey into high-end entertainment. If you're ready to transform your space into a state-of-the-art home theater, the VisionMaster Pro2 is the perfect choice. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.